This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Android phone has a gyroscope and a good camera. These sensors let the software map orientation. Once that's done, install a 360-capable capture app and free up 64 GB or more for footage. Low space breaks long takes. Mount the phone on a tripod at eye level and enable airplane mode to avoid interruptions. Start with a short 30-60-second test capture to verify exposure and stabilization before committing to longer recording. You now set manual exposure or lock AE/AF so brightness doesn't jump while you rotate. That keeps a consistent stitch. Choose 4K and the highest bitrate available in the app to retain detail because stitching magnifies artifacts. When you record, rotate slowly or use a motorized head for even parallax. Sudden moves break seams. Make multiple passes for different exposures if you plan HDR. Once complete, stop recording. Label files and transfer them to a computer for stitching backups. You stitch footage using your app or desktop tool, examine seams and color continuity. Misaligned overlaps cause visible lines. Export as equirectangular at a 2:1 ratio and choose an upload-friendly codec like H.264 or H.265. Higher bitrate preserves detail. Make sure metadata for 360 is injected so viewers get spherical playback. If you see stitch lines or jitter, rerun stitching with alternative alignment settings or apply a gentle global stabilization. Test the final file in a VR viewer before publishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.